आयुर्वेदिक पाठ. आयुर्वेदामध्ये यास वृक्क असे म्हटले आहे. चरकांनी 15 कोष्टांगांमध्ये याचा उल्लेख केलेला आहे. पंचदश कोष्टांगांनी तदयता नाभिश्च हृदयच क्लोमच यकृतच प्लीहाच वृक्कोच बस्तीच पुरुषधारिश्च आमाशयच पक्वाशयच उत्तरगुदमच अधरगुदमच शूद्रांत्रच स्थूलांत्रच वपावहनच इति. मेद हे वृक्क हे मेद व स्रोतसाचे मूलस्थान आहे. मेदोवहनाम स्त्रोतसाम वृक्को मूल वपावहनच. वृक्कची गर्भकालीन उत्पत्ती ही रक्त आणि मेदापासून झाली आहे. रक्त मेद प्रसादात वृक्को. आणि सुश्रुतांनी 8 कोष्टांगांमध्येही याचा उल्लेख केला आहे. स्थानानी आम अग्नि पक्वानाम मूत्रस्य रुधिरस्य हृदय फुफ्फुस कोष्ठ इति अभिधीयते.
उंडूक फुफ्फुसश्च.
Introduction of kidneys. Kidneys are the pair of excretory organs located on posterior abdominal wall. Kidneys are located behind the peritoneum, so that they are retroperitoneal organ. One kidney is located on each side of vertebral column at the level of T12 to L3. Kidneys are pin-shaped organ.
External features of the kidney. The kidney has 2 poles, 2 borders and 2 surfaces. 2 poles are upper pole and lower pole. The upper pole is broad while the lower pole is pointed. 2 borders are lateral border and medial border. The lateral border is convex while the medial border is concave, and its middle part shows a depression called as hilum. 2 surfaces are anterior surface and posterior surface.
The depression in the middle part of a medial border is known as a hilum. Hilum consists of 3 parts from anterior to the posterior. Renal vein, renal artery, renal pelvis. The right kidney is lower than the left kidney due to the lobe of the liver, and the left kidney is slightly nearer to the median plane than the right kidney.
Dimension and weight of kidney: 11 cm length, 6 cm broad, 3 cm thick. Upper pole is near to the median plane than lower pole due to long axis downward and lateral.
Relations of anterior surface which are common to the both the kidneys. At the upper pole there is the respective suprarenal gland, and at the medial border there is the suprarenal gland above the hilum and the ureter below the hilum.
Anterior relation of the right kidney. Suprarenal area for the right suprarenal gland. Hepatic area for the liver. Duodenal area for second part of duodenum. Colic area for second part for hepatic flexure of colon, and jejunal area for jejunum.
Anterior surface related to left kidney is related to left suprarenal gland, spleen, stomach, pancreas, splenic vessel, splenic flexure of descending colon, jejunal, and out of this gastric, jejunal and pancreatic surfaces are covered by peritoneum.
Posterior relation of both our kidney are same. It is related to the diaphragm, middle and lateral arcuate ligament, psoas major muscle, quadratus lumborum muscle, transverse abdominis muscle, subcostal vessel and 3 nerves: subcostal, iliohypogastric and iliohyperonic.
The abdominal aorta gives rise to renal artery that is divided into anterior and posterior parts that are further divided into 5 segmental arteries, also known as renal segments, that are apical, upper, middle, lower and posterior.
Venous drainage. Renal vein, it is arise from the IVC. It is divided into 5 segments: lobar, interlobar, adequate, interlobular and peritubular. Nerve supply, it is supplied by the sympathetic nerve supply, thoracic T12 and L1, it is lumbar.
The histology of the kidney. The cortex show the glomeruli, the PCT, DCT, and the collecting duct. The pyramid of the medulla show the collecting ducts, loop of Henle, thin and thick segment of the ascending and descending limbs, capillaries, and the connective tissue.
Applied anatomy of kidney. Congenital polycystic kidney. Here multiple cyst occurs in the kidney that affects the functioning of kidney. Horseshoe shaped kidney. The lower poles of kidney get fused with each other, that forms the horseshoe shaped structure. Third is unilateral aplasia or hypoplasia. Here, in this condition, both the kidneys lie on the same side of body, and early pelvic position of kidney. In this, kidney fails to descend into its original abdominal position, and instead it remains in pelvis.
In case of renal failure, dialysis can be done. This can be hemodialysis or peritoneal dialysis. Some diseases of the kidney, these are nephritis, inflammation of the kidney, pyelonephritis, tuberculosis of the kidneys. This can be caused due to mycobacterium. Acute renal failure, chronic renal failure, renal caliculi. Some common manifestation of the kidney are renal edema and hypertension. And due to the increase in urea, there is the suppression of the kidney functions, and it can cause renal failure, hypertension.
In surgical exposure of the kidney, when sometimes 12th rib is resected for easier delivery of kidney, the danger of opening of pleural sac must be kept in mind. Renal angle is the angle between the lower border of 12th rib and outer border of erector spinae muscle.